Hi, I'm Lo-chan from Hokusan Limited in Tokyo, Japan. Hokusan Limited is one of the pioneers in Japanese wood veneer industry. Established in 1925 by our founder, Mr. Oyama Kanematsu. Hokusan Limited offers wide range of wood species nationally and internationally in the form of logs, lumbers, wood veneers, and innovative wood veneer products. One of the greatest strength of Hokusan Limited is its network and its ability to identify and source the best logs from legal and sustainable sources around the globe. Today, I would like to talk about one of our innovative wood veneer products called SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering. SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering was first introduced in Japan back in 1961. And with our partner, Jacaranda Inc., SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering was launched in USA in 1984. SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering is a Class A fire-rated real wood veneer backed with 5-ply unique composition backing. SANFOOT can be applied directly on substrate just like vinyl wall covering. It can be applied on gypsum wall, plasterboard. It can be applied on metal panels. It can also be applied on acrylic or glass panels. The unique 5-ply composition of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering allows greater flexibility for practical application on contoured surfaces such as curved walls, columns, and radius corners. The veneer is so flexible that it can wrap around 90-degree angle corners without veneers cracking. SANFOOT is formaldehyde-free and it is VOC compliant product, so SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering is user-friendly product. SANFOOT is suitable for any residential and commercial applications such as healthcare, education, corporate, retail, and also transportation interiors. The veneers used to produce SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering is sliced to as thin as 2 millimeters, which allows us to generate 300% more yield from one single log when compared to traditional 0.6 millimeter thickness. 0.2 millimeter veneers not only promotes the flexibility and fire rating of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering, but it also allows us to produce large sequence of veneers from one log, which produces color and wood pattern consistency. This is perfect for applications for the projects with big walls and ceilings. By slicing veneers to 0.2 millimeters, we also produce transtic veneers, which is translucent veneers. Translucent veneers does not stop light from passing through it. So with this, we can produce light box effect. And this can further enhance or increase the possibilities of your design. Here's a job reference of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering where the flexibility of SANFOOT is perfectly demonstrated. This is a retail store in Tokyo, Japan. They sell traditional Japanese kimono, and we have used white birch flat cut in this project. White birch flat cut is Japanese wood species found in northern part of Japan like Hokkaido. Here's a close-up of a few points that is worth noting. As you can see, this job has very curved walls, and SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering is easily installed on the curved walls. Also, you can note the built-in shelf and how the wood pattern is continuously connected from ceiling inside the built-in shelf, and it comes out to the wall again and all the way down to the floor. And you can also see there's a sharp corners which is wrapped by SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering. And SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering can be joined with seamless joint where you cannot really notice any joints between the veneers. So this is a good example of difficult job made easy by SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering. Here's another job reference where I want to show you how SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering is used to wrap on the aluminum fins for louvers. As you can see, SANFOOT has wrapped around the sharp corners of louvers without any joints at the corner. And the fins are later attached on the main frame, and it is hanged on the wall. As you can see, there are 3 sections of louvers on the wall: top, middle, and bottom. But you cannot see any color variation because all these veneers was produced from one single batch of veneer from one lot. Here's another job reference. This is Alice Tully's Hall in New York, United States of America. This is another good example of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall coverings. Flexibility, also the color, large sequence and color consistency, and also the Transtech, which is translucent veneers. In this project, we have ceilings, walls, all the curved walls, and also the feature wall behind the stage. Everything was produced from veneers from one lot. And on the bottom picture, you can see there's a 3-dimensional panels attached to the wall. That panel is actually acrylic panel. And translucent veneer is installed on top of acrylic panel to create a light box effect. So when LED is lit, the veneer will illuminate. And when LED is turned off, the veneer on the acrylic 3-dimensional panel completely and perfectly blends with the veneers surrounding it. Why? Because it is from one single log, thus the color consistency and also the wood consistency. You can choose from a wide range of wood species, cuts, and colors for versatile integration of wood tones in your overall design pattern. Furthermore, SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering also offers additional features and finishes to further enhance the visual aspect of natural wood veneer. SANFOOT comes in the standard finish, which is 2 coats of urethane finish with 30% sheen. But of course, if you want more glossy finish, we offer 50% or even 70% sheen. And in case you want to have a matte finish for your project, then yes, we can do matte finish as well. For some clients, we also offer unfinished SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering if they prefer to do their own finish after the installation. Preferences or technical issues, it is doable. Another feature SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering offers is the stained to match feature. Every project has their own unique requirement, so you can send us the color control sample that you want, and we can stain it on top of the veneer of your choice. Or we have samples ready in our warehouse for quick ship programs where we have the collection of our color sample references that we use for our past projects. Now you can request for those samples and use as a reference for your future projects. Another feature of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering is digitally printed veneers, or digital printed design on top of natural veneers. So you may provide us with your unique design data, or you can choose from our library of data which we have produced in-house. We can do corporate logos, we can do full face coverage prints, and we can also do gradation and ombre kind of design. SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering can be easily installed on substrate without having to use any specialized tools or process. Any experienced wallpaper installer can hang SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer wall covering on the substrate just by using nap roller, retractable blade, ruler, and wallpaper smoother. Well, you can use joint tip if you are doing overlap double cut joints. And if you have some other advanced tools available to you in your market that can further produce better results of your installation, then of course you are welcome to try it as well. Now here are some adhesives and primers that we recommend to our customers in USA. But if you are not in USA, if you are from Europe, Australia, Asia, anywhere else, then you can definitely try whatever you have available in your market. Basically, you can use PVA glue or clay-type glue to install SANFOOT Natural wood veneer on porous substrates such as gypsum wall, plywood, plasterboard, etc., etc. And if you are installing SANFOOT Natural wood veneer wall covering on non-porous substrates such as metal panels, acrylic, glass, or even sometimes MDF, then you can use contact adhesive or double-sided tape, whichever works better for you. Here are some projects that I would like to share with you today. First one is the aviation. Of course, on the left-hand side, it's the first-class compartment inside airplane. And in this project, we have used bird's eye maple rotary cut, which is peeled veneers. And we have used special kind of backing and finish on top of this veneer to meet the aviation codes and standards. And on the right-hand side, you can see there's the airport, San Jose Airport in California, USA. We have used Douglas fir random matched, where we use flat cut, quarter cut, and mix it to get this random appearance of natural look. Here's another project in Tokyo. This is retail, and we have used sakura. That's a red bird's quarter cut. And in this project, we have done horizontal installation of SANFOOT Natural wood veneer wall covering, where the veneers, the quarter cut sakura veneers, are sleeved matched. So as you can see, the sleeved matched horizontal installation of SANFOOT Natural wood veneer wall covering is installed on the wall, and the same batch of veneers are installed on the top of the ceiling, producing really harmonized, nice sleeve matched look. This is another retail in Tokyo as well. And in this project, we have used Sen flat cut. This is a very simple project, all the way from the ceiling to bottom, ceiling to the floor. Veneers are book matched, and Sen flat cut is another Japanese species, very subtle, does not stand out too much, which is why this species is really great for the product display kind of project such as this one. This is a shopping mall in Tokyo, and for this job we have used Tokyo cedar quarter cut. Now Tokyo cedar quarter cut can only be harvested inside Tokyo prefecture, nowhere else, not even inside Japan, just within the Tokyo. And for this job we wrapped the MDF panels in our warehouse, and then those panels were delivered to the site and it was sticked on top of pre-existing wall, so it was easy, quick installation. This is a corporate entrance in Tokyo as well. And in this job, we have used cedar quarter cut. You can see there's 8-foot veneers installed from floor to half the height of the wall, and another 8-foot veneers is flipped book matched to produce the continuous wood pattern from ceiling to bottom. This is University of Agriculture in Tokyo. This is the atrium with skylight design, and this goes up to 6th floor all the way. And all these veneers are from one single log. You can see we have wrapped the column on the ground floor and it goes up. And this job is perfect example of wood veneer, all the wood veneer from one log stained. So as you can see, there is no color variation. This is another area of same university. It's a lecture room, and we have in this room, we have used hinoki, which is Japanese cypress quarter cut. Now SANFOOT is wrapped on the MDF box beams on the ceilings all the way from one side of the hall to another side of the hall. And it continues to come down from ceiling to the floor. Now in this job, what we need to note is the end matching feature of SANFOOT Natural wood veneer wall covering, where veneers at the end are matched to produce like continuous wood pattern look. And even on the panels behind the stage, those are all also from same wood log. So we have produced really color consistent ambiance here. So So if you want to learn more about SANFOOT Natural wood veneer wall covering, or if you want to get some catalogs or samples, or if you have a job that you need some consulting with, then I recommend you to contact our partner, Jacaranda Inc. They're in Florida. With their experience with this product in US market for more than 4 decades, they can help you from sampling design phase to the very delivery installation phase. And if you want to just broaden your knowledge base in wood veneer products industry, then even better, because Jacaranda Inc., they offer webinars and other courses, and from which you can also earn CEU credits. And if you are from outside US, Asia, Australia, Middle East, anywhere, then you are most welcome to contact Hokusan Limited directly, and we will make sure to direct you to the right direction. We have distributors all around the world. So let's summarize all the points that we've gone through this presentation, all the features and benefits of SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering. So first, let's see, it's architectural grade veneers, which is suitable for all types of interiors. Second, the domestic and exotic species, as we said before, Hokusan Limited sources wood log from all around the world. Third, cost effective, which is SANFOOT is easier to handle, it comes pre-finished and easier to install, so it does make difference. And ease of installation, like we said before, any wallpaper professional installer can install SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer Wall Covering without having to use any specialized process or the tools, just basic tools. And unique 5-ply composition for greater flexibility to wrap around the corners and curved walls. Environmentally stable. SANFOOT, once it is dried, the glue is dried after installation, it is virtually unaffected by the fluctuation of humidity or the temperature. Standard supplied as pre-finished. Like before, SANFOOT comes with 2 coats of urethane, so you don't have to worry about finishing the product veneers after the installation on site, installed and done clean. And custom finished options, we also do stained to match the color that you have unique requirement on the veneer of your choice for your special projects. We can do custom graphic as well, which is digitally printed. Any corporate logo, any specific, your unique designs can be printed on top of your unique choice of wood veneer. And finally, we have variety of sequence match sheets. We have standard sheet size, but of course, we can also do custom cut to make it easier to handle it on your site. And also, there are many different information that you can get regarding the wood veneer product. Like in matching, book matching, slip matching, slicing, and all those small do's and don't do's, it goes deeper. So I strongly recommend you to contact Jacaranda Inc. for more details. If you go to their website, you can find all the information such as data sheet for the SANFOOT Natural Wood Veneer product, other sub-product in SANFOOT series. You can find installation guides and also specification guides as well. So feel free to contact Jacaranda Inc. Thank you for watching. I am Lo Chan from Hokusan Limited. Sayonara.